Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from the United States. This is a package from Ramen Bay. You can check them out over here on this link that you're looking at on the screen. They've got all sorts of really neat ramen toppings that are super awesome, bump up your ramen game, and not only that, they have their own noodles now. So let's crack this open and have a look. Oh, nice. So yeah, I've tried their ramen toppings in the past. They've got everything you could imagine. You can get like just a bag of the little swirly fish cake, the narutomaki. You can get a whole bag of that. You can get dehydrated beef or mushroom or yeah, and then they've got their mixes. And this is a new one that they're saying is very popular. This is their fried shallot and beef one, and I'm really excited. The last time I had one of theirs that had beef in it, I used it in all sorts of stuff. For dinner, a lot of the time, I'll take like a can of like light Progresso soup. Say like the beef one. It doesn't really have a lot of beef in it. So I would use their other beef mixture. I can't remember what exactly was in it, but there was a lot of stuff, and I would throw like a little handful of that in there, and boy, it really bumped it up. This one, fried shallot and beef, that sounds groovy. So yeah, that'll be something I'll be trying with some stuff soon. What stuff, you ask? Well, first and foremost, something like this. This is their new protein ramen. And this is a dry noodle, a stir-fry variety, and yeah, I'm really curious about these. So I've seen pictures of the packaging, but I want to see what it looks like firsthand. And yeah, let's crack her open. Oh yeah, it's a multi-pack. There's 6 of them in here. Non-fried noodle. And cool. So it's got 28 grams of protein. That's no slouch. And there you go. That's what it looks like. That's one of their packs. What other info we got on this thing? Whole thing's 340 calories, 800 mils of sodium. You might think that's a lot, but that's really not. No cholesterol. Yeah. Lots of protein. Cool. They've also got a Korean spicy ramen variety. You might note there's a little, is it this way or this way? Yeah, it's this way. A little perforation here so you can like put it on a store shelf and vend it that way. And then we have this one. This is a noodle soup, a beef noodle soup. Yeah, very cool. Well, a big shout out and thanks to Ramen Bay for sending this over. Yeah, if their noodles are anywhere as good as their topping mixes are, these are going to be really good. So yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And hey, I'll review them soon. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.